Beneath the shade of Pennsylvania skies, where button caps bloom and mycelium lies, a town awakens with savory cheer. The Mushroom Festival is finally here. Welcome to Kennett Square, Pennsylvania, where mushrooms aren't just food, they're a way of life. This town produces over half of America's mushrooms, and today it's celebrating that legacy with flavor, fun, and fungi. From shiitake sliders to portobello fries, the streets are sizzling. Every bite tells a story, from farm to skillet, from tradition to innovation. It all starts underground. Kennett's farmers cultivate mushrooms with precision and care, layering compost, managing humidity, and harvesting by hand. It's science, art, and agriculture in perfect harmony. But this festival isn't just about food, it's about people. Families, growers, chefs, and curious travelers come together to celebrate a shared love for the humble mushroom. As the scent of sautéed mushrooms fades and the music winds down, one truth remains. In Kennett Square, community grows just as richly as the harvest. From the flavors we tasted to the stories we uncovered, thanks for joining me on this journey. If you loved this slice of culture, hit subscribe and let's keep exploring, one bite at a time.